Hey guys, I'm back. Here are the shrimp and grits. Let's see how they taste. Remember I kept the shell on there so we could just, oh, it's so hot. I could just suck it off and peel it and eat it. Mm. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, I did put jalapenos in there. Remember that? I like spicy. Delish. Delish. Mmm. Yummy. I don't know if you want to eat shrimp and grits like this in a restaurant because people be looking at you saying, why is that lady sucking on her shrimp like that in the restaurant? That's why I say you can make it at home. Mm. And then you peel it. And then you eat it. You take off the tail. Let me just peel it a little bit more. Look at that big shrimp. You could just sweep it in the sauce. Eat some grits. Remember we made the grits a cheesy sauce. And we didn't have to add cheese to the grits. Dip the shrimp. I added some green pepper and some jalapeno to it. Delicious. A nice rosé. Yummy.